Welcome to the dumbbell single arm floor press. Now, this is an exercise that will be targeting your chest muscles, and we're going to focus on keeping our core nice and tight. So as you can see, I'm lying on a mat on the ground. I've got the dumbbells in my hands and my arms are at a 45-degree angle to my body. I'm inhaling as I lower the dumbbell down towards the floor, and then I'm exhaling as I press the dumbbell up so that they meet in the center. Now we're alternating the arms here, so make sure that you count to make sure you get the same rep on each side. Then if you want to make it harder for yourself, include a glute bridge. So this just means that you're raising your hips off the ground, you're activating that core, you're squeezing the glutes, and it's the same motion as you press the dumbbells into the center of the chest. Make sure that you're keeping the hips and the knees in line and that you're activating that core so you protect your lower back. Your third option here to make this exercise a little bit harder is to take a resistance band, and as you can see, I'm popping it just around my thighs, not on the knees, just above the knees. And then I'm going to come back up into my glute bridge. So I'm raising my arms up so the dumbbells meet in the center. And then I'm up in my glute bridge. I'm squeezing my glutes, activating my core. And then I'm inhaling as the arm comes down to the floor. I'm exhaling as I press up. So the dumbbells don't have to meet in the center, but if you want them to meet and squeeze when they meet in the center, it will just activate your chest muscles a little bit more. Make sure you keep that bridge nice and high and push against the resistance band with your legs so that your core is activating even more.